happened to us?
What happened to us? Right? What happened to us? What happened to us? Oh, get up. Come on, get up. Oh.
Wait! We're twins!
Yes, we're twins. Let's go. What do you mean, no?
I hate twins!
I get to be Ronaldo like you.
Okay, chew.
Okay, Jermaine. Okay, let's come.
Now you can play football.
We can play football.
Yeah.
Let's play football at home though. Wait, but we need to go to school though.
Yeah. Wait.
Let's go to school.
Okay.
Come in my Come in my Ferrari. Come in my Ferrari.
You have a
Why you guys? Yep, I bought it for myself. But
You guys look like twins.
yes, because we are.
Because we are twins.
Yeah, we are twins.
How many friends do I got? 200.
School is not that way.
I have too many friends.
I'm sorry. I just didn't learn. I don't got a driver's
I
license.
just got so much friends. Let me drive.
I'm crushing my car. I
me
hope
drive.
my car doesn't go on fire again. Uh-oh.
No!
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm burning!
My tire! No, my tire! My tire! My tire!
Where is your tire?
No! My other tire! No! My tire! Well,
No!
no, my car broke. Let's just run to school.
Okay.
I hope we don't get bullied there.
Nope. Gonna get bullied there. I'm gonna push them if we get bullied.
Okay.
There's a way here. Yeah, it looks so ugly. What happened to me?
There's no one at school.
What did they make my other toe ugly? Huh? No! What's happening, Shad?
No! Okay, come on. Let's just play football.
Yeah. Where are we going home? Where are you?
Nah,
Oh.
we're playing football. Don't you like football?
Yeah, I can score way better than you.
No, you can't, liar. Okay, my fault. This is my ball though. I'm gonna score. Okay, I score. Alright, look, Ronaldo. I score here and you score there. So I'm about to score.
Wait, cheater!
Oh.
You missed the open net.
Uh-oh, I'm about to score an own goal. No.
What a block. I see you.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. My kick. Okay. Why there's someone so far? Oh no, you're gonna get bullied by him.
No.
He's so big. He's so big. Oh my gosh, that kid's gonna bully us.
Help!
In the face, you gotta
Fell down. Okay. Fall down. Okay.
No, please. Oh, what happened to me? Something, I'm gonna die. What happened to us? That kid beat us up so bad that we went to the hospital.
Oh, hospital.
Yeah. What's happening? Oh my gosh.
Make it black.
Oh, come on. No.
Make it black when you get punched.
Literally. What's happening to me? What's happening to me?
We might die.
We won't, okay?
We might die.
Come on, stop crying. Stop. We got a way out of this. We need to beat up the bully.
Yeah.
With both of us, okay? We need to
now
beat
we got to go to gym.
We need to beat up the bully. Beat up the bully. Beat up the bully.
Punch me, you said ow. And both of you punched me.
Wait,
you both said ow.
Let's just beat up the bully. Where is he? Oh, he's there. He's there. No, don't be scared. Let's beat him up.
Okay,
Let's both beat him up.
okay.
Three, 2, 1. Ow! My hand! My hand hurts so bad. Oh my gosh! My hand! My hand! My hand! No! Don't punch him! Hey! Stop laughing at us! Oh, stop laughing at us! Why do you have to laugh at us?
You guys are like so weak. What happened? No, your heart hurts. They're like so funny.
Oh, it's not funny! It's not even funny.
Okay, watch this. 3, 2, 1. Da-da.
Oh my god!
Oh, I think
He's so strong. My ankle.
First of all, why are we twins?
I don't know.
What teleporting?
He made us twins, so he had a powerful injury. That's why his other hand is magma, and that's why he's floating. So we need to stay away from him. If he punches us with that magma hand, then we're dead. Run!
Come here. Come. I'm getting her.
What the?
Wait for me.
My Lamborghini. Okay.
Wait for me.
No. Get in the car.
Wait for me.
Is it not a Lamborghini?
Wait, come on. Yeah, let's go. Go. Yes.
I'm gonna set the speed to 200.
Okay.
I can put 200. What do you need a skateboard for?
Go.
Look, I'm premium, so I can change the color of it.
Oh my gosh. Oh no.
Doja Cat.
Let's make it faster. What? The fire doesn't mean the car's gonna break. Oh no! My Ferrari!
I don't know. Oh, never mind.
I reset my car.
I made the car fly so I can catch them. You have a Lamborghini, so the
Stop crashing! Oh, I'm gonna.
It's not like my car. No, the tire.
Okay, come on. Tyrone, let's go here. Come on.
Let me get the house. Let me buy the house.
Okay, fine.
I'm gonna give you
Are you
10 billion pounds if you give me that cool house. I'm gonna give you so much money. I'm gonna give you this much money if you give me that house.
Okay, give it. Take it.
Dang. Now I can buy this house.
When I put my mask off, yes or no? Let me see. Yes.
Whoa. Let's look the house quick.
He's coming. Look at him.
Look the house. Look the house.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was so scary.
So
But-
close.
Look. That was so scary. Oh my gosh. We're safe. He broke the door.
He broke the door. Help me. Help me.
He broke the door. Get in my car. Get in my car. Get in my car.
You can't. Help. Lock the door. No.
Get in. Get in. Get in.
Wait, did I just see Dojo Cat?
Get a car.
Yeah.
This time get a Lamborghini.
I wish we can go back to her.
Same.
She's my celebrity crush.
She's your celebrity crush. You wanna go back to her?
Yeah, but what about the bully?
The gritty.
The bully. Now let's go back to her. Ariana Grande! Whoa! Wait, pause the
Yo, Ariana.
Ariana! Can you take a picture? Picture with me? With me? Please!
Please, Ariana, can I have a pic? Please, please.
Ah! Ah! Whoa!
Whoa. Whoa. Yo, celebrity crush.
Don't say that in front of her.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Just come with me. Let me carry you.
Okay.
Let me carry you. Okay, we're gonna go. We're gonna go.
You turned into a clown.
I want to see my celebrity. She's not my celebrity.
We're going somewhere. We're going to the bully's house.
Police. Yeah,
No,
but
the
this-
bully's house. We need to rob his house because he robbed everyone's house except ours, and we need to get that money. If we do, we can give it back to everyone.
Nope, we can keep it.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
Why are you saying? What do you mean? Why?
Why are they going so fast?
Why
is so slow?
wait. Is he dead? Wait. No. He's dead.
He's. Why is he dead? What happened anyway?
Oh no. What happened? A clone stabbed him in the back. No! The bully did that! The bully did that! The bully did that! The bully did that!
Ah!
The bully did that to the dead person. Run!
You fell for my trap. And now you gonna pay for that.
Ah!
Help!
Help!
What did we ever do to you?
Yeah.
I'm a bad guy.
He's a bad guy. He's not just he almost touched me with his magma hand.
And I also have a lava hand, which I'm gonna punch you.
No! Come! Ariana Grande, please help!
Save us! Please!
Ariana Grande, please help us, please.
She me from another dimension when I fell into the portal. Pretend I fell into the portal.
Oh, it's falling into the portal.
Whoa! That's crazy!
Let's go.
Let's go!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! See you later, Lamo!
Run, quick.
Run. Oh, he might get us. How do you run that fast?
I hold shift in my body. Wait, let me just carry this dead person to the hospital. Okay. I'm carrying him to the hospital because he's dead. Huh?
I think his name was Billy. Billy! Why is you dead?
Pretend I came back from another dimension.
Okay. Oh, Billy!
Billy,
We loved you!
we loved you so much, Billy.
Wait, is that Ariana Grande? Again?
Yes, it is. Billy. Oh. Wait. I want to see if he's actually not.
It's